Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to write XPath in Selenium. We'll start by understanding what XPath is and why it's crucial for automating web interactions. You'll learn how to effectively pinpoint elements on a web page, ensuring your Selenium scripts are robust and reliable. This foundational knowledge is key to mastering web automation with Naveen Automationlabs' approach. Next, let's differentiate between absolute versus relative XPath. Absolute paths are very specific, but can break easily with minor page changes. Relative paths, on the other hand, are more flexible and resilient. We'll explore examples of both, demonstrating why relative XPath is often the better choice for stable and maintainable automation scripts. Now, let's dive into some powerful XPath functions that enhance your element location capabilities. Functions like contains, text, and starts with allow for more dynamic and precise targeting. These are incredibly useful when attributes or text content might vary slightly, making your locators more adaptable and less prone to failure. Finally, we'll cover some advanced XPath techniques to handle complex scenarios. Learn to combine multiple conditions for highly specific selections and utilize XPath axes like following sibling to navigate related elements. Understanding indexing will also help you target specific items within a group, making your Selenium scripts incredibly powerful and precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.